stop me with this type of vibe. Look at that beautiful tuna. Look at that exquisite dish. I'm telling you, they can't stop me on YouTube with this type of vibe that I bring. But anyway, today we're making seared tuna, and I'm gonna top that off with some brown sugar, soy, ginger glaze. So big vibe. Look at that beautiful piece of tuna. Look at that. You can't get better tuna than that. So what I'm gonna do is, see, when you cook tuna, you don't want to put too much stuff on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some sesame oil. So I'm gonna just a little bit of sesame oil. I'm gonna cook it in sesame oil and a little bit of soy. When you cook tuna, you don't need a lot of stuff on there. That's why sushi is so good, because it's just pure good tuna. But anyway, big vibe. Hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. Subscribe to the vibe. The vibe is just getting bigger and bigger every day. Be a part of the vibe. Subscribe to the vibe. So a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of soy, and I'm gonna put it in my pan, my hot pan, so to say, and just give it a nice sear. So a little bit more sesame oil in my pan. As I said, that's what I'm using. That's the vibe is just that sesame oil. It's so good. So that's the vibe. And you know, usually when I cook a dish, I always have to have a vibe. So look at that sear. Nice hot pan. We're gonna sear all the sides. We're gonna bring it to a close to medium rare right around there, because I don't like my I like my tuna close, so like right at the edge of that medium rare. So I'm gonna cook it how I like it. You can cook it how you like it. So don't bash me with it. Well, your tuna wasn't rare. No, I don't want my tuna to be rare, because I'm gonna eat it. So I want it to be closer to a medium, but still on that medium rare type of vibe. And that's what I'm gonna cook it. So don't beat me if you're like, oh yeah, it wasn't that rare. Yeah, I know it wasn't that rare, because I didn't want it that rare. But anyway, nice sear. Look at that. Drop me in the comments and just tell me that's not a nice sear. That's a beautiful sear, if you ask me. But I'm asking you, let me know what you think about that sear right here. Perfecto. But anyway, so sear on all sides, and then I'm gonna work on my glaze, and I'm gonna do it with some, I'm gonna give it a vibe. Stick around to the end of the video if you wanna see the vibe. You don't wanna see the vibe? No, I can't beat you. You should check in. But I'm gonna give it a vibe. Nice sear on all sides. Then we're gonna take it out of our pan. We're gonna put it to cool. We're gonna make our glaze, and God, tell me the kid is not here. Look at that beautiful sear right there. Tell me that's not beautiful. That's a beautiful sear. But anyway, this video is not about me tapping myself on the shoulder. This is about that beautiful piece of tuna that we're searing right here. It's about that nice glaze we're gonna make and the vibe that we're gonna give it at the end of the video. So if you haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, you want to be a part of the vibe. It's a big vibe over here. So hit that red subscribe button. It's very important, if it's your first time here, to hit that red subscribe button, because the vibe is just beautiful over here. It's a big vibe over here. Big vibe. But with that being said, you know, our tuna is nice and sear. Tuna is beautiful. Look at those edges. Those edges are marvelous. So what we're gonna do, you wanna get some brown sugar. You wanna get like 4 tablespoons of water. You wanna get some ginger. I'm not using fresh ginger. I'm using powdered ginger for this vibe. So some ginger, some brown sugar, some soy, and I'm gonna use, you know me, I like to use my infused oil because it's just packed with flavor. So I'm gonna use my infused oil, and I'm gonna give it a vibe. So boom, some soy. in a pan. Then a little bit of brown sugar, infused oil in the pan, and I'm gonna hit it with like 4 teaspoons of water just for my reduction purposes, and some some ground ginger. I think it doesn't give it a better flavor with the brown sugar and everything else. And we're just gonna stir that about, take it off, put it aside, let it cool, and work on the rest of our vibe. So, big vibe, as I said. The vibe's always right over here. If you wanna be a part of the vibe, let me know. Hit that red subscribe button. Give me a shout out. So, I got some zucchini, some summer squash, and some bell peppers. I hit that with a little bit of fresh scallion, a little bit of cilantro, and some poppy seed. And I soak that in some rice wine. I said it. I soaked it in some rice wine. And I just let that sit there for like, 45 minutes, an hour. Give it a vibe. And I'm cutting the tuna. So, look at that. Boom. As I said, so I wanted it. Right at that medium rare, close to a medium. Perfecto. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hit it, because I gotta bring a little vibe on it. I'm gonna take this pineapple, I cut it in half, I take the inside out, I put it on my hot cast iron skillet, and I'm gonna just crisp up the top, and that's what we're serving our tuna is. Now, I think I messed that up. That's what we're serving our tuna in. Nice, crunchy, crispy vegetables, nice, medium, rare tuna, and a little brown sugar, soy, ginger, glaze. Tell me that's not a vibe. Yo, just let me know that's not a vibe. That's a vibe. Big vibe. So, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. Check out the channel, check out the vibe, and I'll see you